Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. I am so excited because today I have my Sip Spy and I am ready because I am in need of new teas, so let's get in here. This is my April Sip Spy box. It is a $15 per month subscription. You get 4 different teas, generally 4 servings of each tea. It is $15 a month. I will put my link below, and if you use it and KathrinFree, you will get $5 off of your first box, so it'll only be $10. And they do send me this for review, my honest review. I will always tell you if there's a tea I don't like or something about it I don't like, but I love this tea box. I love it in the winter because there is nothing more calming than some nice warm tea. I love it in the spring because I start looking at it like, which one of these can I make into iced tea? And then of course summer, I'm making them all into iced teas. I just love this box. Let's get in here and see what I've got. Once I open it up, it is the April teas. And that's what it says on the front, and on the back, as you always hear me say, it says made for Kathryn, and I always love that because it makes me feel so special. And then these are our teas, so let's dig in, pick one out. I have my cup here. We'll get one steeping and we'll give it a try. Okay, glasses time. So the back tells us not only is it made for Kathryn, but it tells us the 4 teas that I received, and then it tells you how to steep them and what temperature to steep them at, how long. It tells you a little bit about each of the teas. Most of the teas in the box, if you like it, you can go back onto their site and there's a code and you can put it in and get a discount. And the reason I get these 4 teas is when you first sign up, they have you fill out a very thorough questionnaire that asks you about everything, your favorite flavors, whether you like, everything like mushrooms, or, they just ask you so many in-depth questions just to nail in on what they think you will like. If you want no caffeine or high caffeine or somewhere in the middle, I do a nice mix of all of it. And yeah, that's what they do. So if you sign up, they ask you all of those questions, and then they send you teas related to what you've written. What you also get each month is this, and it is the Sip Spy little muslin pouch that you can use as a reusable tea diffuser. And then in that, you have several paper pouches also that you can use because they send you, unless you don't want them to, and then you can tell them just tea bags, they send you loose teas also. And they don't want you to have to go searching for something to diffuse or infuse the tea into your water with. So they send you these. I love these. Even though I have a tea infuser, I use these because then I can just chuck it and there's nothing to clean. All right, so I seem to have all loose teas this month. I think this is the first month that I've gotten all loose tea, so that's kind of fun. So the very first one that I see on top, and we'll go ahead and try this one, is lavender butter rum. Yeah, and it is from David's Tea, and David's Tea is one of my absolute favorite teas. I always love the quality of their tea. So this says that the lavender buttercream by David's Tea is rooibos, rosehips, candied pineapple, sugar, apple, natural vanilla flavoring, lavender, natural flavoring, and stevia extract. And it's caffeine free, which is great because it's late in the day and I want to try this. So that worked perfectly. Dessert is served. Sweet, creamy, and laced with aromatic lavender, this decadent caffeine-free rooibos blends tastes like a slice of vanilla cake and floral buttercream frosting. And you use 1 teaspoon in 8 ounces of water. Okay, let's do it. And I used to pour these into my hands to show you guys, and I'm probably not doing that anymore. Oh my goodness. I can't even tell you words that will do this justice. Let me put it toward the front because this seemed to work pretty well last month, and show you guys. See how chunky and nice that is? Like I always say, they don't send you the dusty bits. It's just, oh my gosh, guys, I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to try this. So I've reached into my little muslin pouch and pulled out one of their cute little tea bags, and it has a little Sip Spy. And they didn't used to have these. It used to just be the string, and now it's so much easier. I'm going to pour about a teaspoon of this into this pouch, all the while trying not to touch my hands. I think that's about a teaspoon's worth. Hope you guys can see it. Oh my gosh, guys, it smells so delicious. Okay, so we will leave that steeping and we will try it before we're done. I'm already excited. I know, teas, but if you could smell this. Oh my goodness. All right, reaching in next, I have Oolong Tea Raspberry Rose Medium Caffeine, and this is from Tea Head. I have also had this brand before, and I liked it a lot. Let's see what the paperwork says, though. This one is medium caffeine, and it is an oolong tea with pink rosebuds, rose petals, raspberries, pink cornflower blossoms, and natural flavor. Juicy raspberries and seductive rose pair together in this luscious oolong blend that can be enjoyed steamy, hot, or iced cold. See? I told you. You start getting to the point where you're like, ooh, I wonder what that would taste like iced. Let's just open this baby up and see what she smells like. Oh my goodness, this smells just like raspberries, guys. And look how big and chunky those pieces are. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that so much. Oh, this is just like aromatherapy. Even without steaming the tea, you could just sit here like, breathe in, breathe out. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, next I have Chico Chai, and it is a masala chai blended by hand in Chico, California. And that is what that looks like. This says that it is high caffeine, so it is a morning tea for me, for sure. Fair trade Assam tea, nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, pepper, orange peel, star anise, and they're all organic. This aromatic tea is hand blended in small batches in Chico, California. It can be steeped for a mild spiced tea or simmered stovetop for a stronger brew. Yum. I'm just opening all of these because I'm going to be using them all in the next day or two, so I might as well open them. Oh, wow. That smells, I mean, that smells incredible. Let me show you guys what this looks like. Because again, it's nice, huge bits. It's so pretty. The teas are just gorgeous. Wow. This box knocks it out of the park. I mean, they're always good teas, don't get me wrong. But this is nailing it. And I've just taken out the last one. And I don't know if you saw the little glimmer in my eyes, probably not behind my glasses. It's called Orange Lemonade. And it is by T. Lyra. This is what that looks like. Wow. Apple pieces, carrot flakes, blackberry, and eucalyptus leaves, beetroot pieces, hibiscus, lemongrass, freeze-dried tangerine pieces, and orange slices. And it is caffeine-free. Real orange and tangerine pieces are blended alongside eucalyptus and lemongrass. Eucalyptus helps with respiratory discomfort and has a cooling and refreshing effect. That sounds delicious. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, they're tea bags. I thought it was going to be loose tea again. Let me show you one of these. They are the pyramid sachets. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it smells like orange. I feel like I can smell a little bit of the eucalyptus, maybe a little lemon. Oh, it smells so good. Those are going to be delicious too. All right, so those are my 4 teas from this month's Sips by box, and I could not be more impressed. They are so yummy looking. So I received the Chico Chai, which I love because chai is one of my favorites. Of course, I feel like with tea a lot I say is one of my favorites because I love chais. I love most rooiboses. I love Earl Grey with the bergamot. There are so many. I got this nice raspberry rose, which funnily enough, whenever I get a rose in a tea, I always want to say rosé like I'm making it wine. We have this nice orange lemonade from T. Lyra, and then the one we're steeping, this lavender buttercream from David's Teas. Wow, what a great month of tea. Let's taste this one. This says that it should have steeped for 4 to 5 minutes. We have to be really close to that. I'm looking at my clock. Now that it's tea, I mostly smell the buttercream. I don't really smell the lavender of it. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. This is the one, is this the one? Yes, this is the one that had stevia in it. So it's sweet. You can't quit drinking it. It's so good. That has to have been, of all of the teas that I've opened in these boxes for, I may have had it, I would say I'm close to a year now. That has got to be, oh, it's really close to the top. I would say top 5, maybe top 3. That is delicious. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to come over. Say hi below. Let me know how things are going. I hope you're out there taking care of yourself. I know this cooped up feeling has got us all a little, so have a nice calming glass of tea. This is actually, for me, right now I feel like it's the sweetness. Oh, that is so good. Okay, Thanks again, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. If you have any interest in Sips By, I have my link below. Be sure and use my code so you get $5 off your first box. And I will see you soon. Bye, guys. Take care of yourselves, please.